there's also the blockage of Mbita-Rusinga Causeway that now hinders the free movement of oxygen and the downwater currents. So all these have really contributed to the reduction of fish production.
There was a time that Mbita was a causeway. Mbita between the Mbita mainland and Rusinga. Rusinga was an island, and Mbita side was the mainland. But in the late 80s, a causeway was constructed across that effectively prevented water from the other side of the open waters mixing with water that is found within the Nyanza Gulf.
The current is not flowing the way it used to flow. Yes, the current is not flowing to the Rusinga channel. This way it doesn't flow. The causeway blocked it.
Samaki ni kitu anatembea kila mahali. Ni kwa samaki ukisaliwa hapa samaki nakimbia kwa deep, pale iko deep. Ndio sasa samaki anakuwa mingi. Na tangu alifunga Mbita, sasa ile samaki ya pande ile arudi pande hii. Ya pande hii aendi pande ile. Sasa samaki anakwama na wavuvi anaua. Sasa yote nakwisha. Sababu ya huko ni ya huko. Ya huku ni ya huku. Lakini ya huku ni shida sababu huko si deep sana kama huko Uganda.
The fish that used to cross that channel from open waters was blocked. So that one interfered with the production on the Nyanza Gulf side. Before the channel was closed, we used to have a flashing effect during the high currents, that sediments within the Nyanza Gulf used to be washed into the open waters through that channel. That one was also blocked.
Nilitembea Mbita siku moja, nilikuta kama hao walifunga Mbita mbali sana, mrefu sana. Sasa nakuwa kama barabara lakini ni mrefu. Boti ya pande ile hawezi kuenda pande hii. Ya pande hii hawezi kwenda pande ile. Ilikuwa shida.
The government is undertaking a construction of the Mbita Causeway to be able to open up that particular section to allow free movement of water from this side of one side of Mbita crossing all the way to Sindo, Magunga areas, because that section was blocked and therefore pollution has concentrated more on this upper side.
The contractor is on site that the causeway is going to be demolished, and this will give way to a channel. So after some time, some of this negative effect on the environment that was created by the causeway is going to be addressed.
That project is trying to address that, to allow free flow of water, to avoid that concentration of pollution. There is more concentration of pollution, water hyacinth areas around Homa Bay, Kindu Bay areas, as compared to the lake areas on the side of Sindo and the other parts of Mbita, where the water is not, where the causeway has actually blocked the flow of the water.
Lake Victoria normally has very strong currents in the afternoons because it is a convergence zone of wind from all the directions, east, west, north, south. All this wind converge in Lake Victoria. Now we are aware that once the Mbita causeway is opened up, once we revert to the channel, then there will be a lot of flushing of water and siltation through this particular channel that would end up now cleaning the Nyanza Gulf.
Sasa ukifunguliwa, saa ingine sisi naweza kupata samaki tofauti. Sababu samaki naweza kuwa sasa naweza kuwa nyingi, ile nafungiwa huko naweza tembea pande hii, ya pande hii naweza enda huko.
So we expect that this flushing will improve the environmental condition of the water, which will result in high fish production.
This is not a long-term solution. Long-term solutions will mostly rely on addressing the pollution rates within the larger lake region, spreading all the way from Kisumu all the way to Migori areas.